Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, and Happy New Year, Happy 2026. I hope your guys' year is off to a wonderful start. So for me today, the day that I'm filming this, it is January 1st and it is about 9:30 in the morning. I just laid my 10-month-old down for his first nap of the day, and today is Operation Take this Christmas stuff down and get it packed away. I have already undecorated the entire upstairs, like my boys' rooms, and then just a little few things downstairs, my bedroom, the guest bathroom, laundry room, stuff like that. But since the week between Christmas and New Year's, I mean, we've just been hanging out as a family. My husband had a little cold, and then Grant got it, and then I think I have it a little bit, but I'm not really that sick. I just had to have like a stuffy nose, but I'll be fine. But yeah, so it's just been, you know, that week between Christmas and New Year's is always just kind of like, what day is it? What are we doing? And then we've done some things as a family. So it was nice to enjoy that, but I am so ready to take down my Christmas stuff and get it packed away, because I would love to do some winter decorating for January before we jump into like Valentine's Day stuff for February. So today is the day. So for Nathan's morning nap, I am planning on tackling this entire living room. And then for his afternoon nap, which is typically a little bit longer, hopefully I can get the kitchen and dining room done as well. And then maybe next week I can really focus on like cleaning the whole house and putting out my winter decor and just kind of getting into that new year like calm house space, because it's still cluttered right now. There's Christmas stuff everywhere, toys still everywhere, and we need a house reset. So I hope you guys are ready. I just poured myself my second cup of coffee for the day, and I've just got on work clothes, hat. I will shower later today after I'm done working, and let's get going. I hope you guys are ready for some motivation. And during today's video with the voiceover, I'm hopefully gonna chat with you guys a little bit about 2026 and share some of my goals with you. So I hope you find that motivational, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm so glad you guys are here with me today. Okay, my friends, we are getting started here in the living room, like I said in the intro, but I am going to tackle the Christmas tree first, and I decided to dedicate this one whole bin to all of my tree decorations. So I'm just layering in all the ornaments, all the ribbons, and the tree topper and everything. And so I sped up a lot of the footage today because I literally worked on this the entire 2 naps that Nathan took. I think his first nap is usually about an hour and a half, and then his second nap is 2 hours on a good day. But yeah, I worked so hard this day getting all the Christmas stuff down and packed away. So I had lots of footage to speed up for you guys, but I hope you are still finding it motivational. Let me know in the comments below if you already have all of your Christmas stuff packed away. I know a lot of people took it down like right after Christmas, and I think I would have, just having like the 2 small kids though. It's just really hard to find time to dedicate to doing this, and I'm really kind of meticulous about how I pack things away and store them. So, but then some people I've heard leave their Christmas stuff up until January 6th. So let me know in the comments below what you guys do, and I would just love to hear, because it's so interesting to see what other people are doing.
So while I'm still taking down the Christmas tree, let's start chatting about 2026. So happy New Year, happy 2026 to all of you who are watching this video, and thank you for starting out your year by watching my video. I'm so excited, and I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. I have taken a little bit of time to set some goals for 2026. Nothing too serious. I'm not like a big New Year's resolution type of person. Like I'm not really, I guess I wouldn't say I set like really hard specific goals for myself, but I do have just things that I would like to improve upon. But first, let's just talk about my YouTube channel. So here at Kindly Katey, I typically will post at least one video a week, and that is going to continue to be my speed for the foreseeable future. If you're new here, I am a stay-at-home mom to a 5-year-old boy who will be starting kindergarten in August this fall, and then I also have a 10-month-old son as well. My oldest's name is Grant and my youngest's name is Nathan. And so, I'm a busy stay-at-home mom, and one video a week is working out really well for me right now. But I am trying to post more reels, Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, and I recently just started a TikTok profile. I kind of hate it, actually. I don't like being on the TikTok app. Like, I don't consume it, but I am posting over there just to try to, share my stuff with more people. So that's what my plan is, one video a week and maybe a reel, 1 or 2 reels per week. And I really focus on lots of seasonal decorating, cleaning motivation, and mom life. I recently just shared my 2026 planner haul because I am a big planner girly and I love staying super organized, which there is something related to that at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that as well. But with my YouTube channel, I would love to continue growing it. This is kind of just a hobby for me right now, but I truly, truly do enjoy making these videos and sharing this content with you guys. So I would love for you guys to interact with me in the comments, give videos thumbs up, share these with your friends and family, and let's grow my channel together and just inspire more people to make our homes really comforting and inspiring spaces for our families.
Okay guys, it took me roughly an hour to get everything situated in the living room, taken down, packed away. So I have maybe like 20 more minutes before I need to get Nathan up from his nap. So I'm just gonna start working here in the kitchen, and I'm gonna take everything down and just pile it up on our dining table, and I will pack all that up and address it probably all together this afternoon when I get the whole kitchen and dining room done. So let's go ahead. I'm so excited I have extra time. I wasn't expecting to have extra time, so that's awesome. So let's keep working.
Okay, some other goals. I'll just keep on my goal sharing spiel here, but some of the other goals I've set for myself, I'm currently doing a little workout challenge, and I actually set one for myself back in December, and I did I did a workout every day of December except for Christmas Day, and then right now I'm doing a little 21-day challenge. But I just like to kind of maintain a healthy-ish lifestyle. I'm not like a hardcore workout person, but I do like to stay active, and I want to try to eat a little bit healthier, especially after the holiday season. Kind of went crazy on eating fast food and lots of desserts and treats, but kind of want to reel that back in a little bit. And I don't have any specific goals other than to just be healthy and be able to play and run with my kids. So there's that. Another goal I would love to achieve, I would love to read at least one book per month this year. Last year, I think in 2025, I think I finished only 3 or 4 books for the entire year. But just having a baby is so crazy. I typically only have time to read right before I go to sleep at night, and I seriously read like 1 or 2 pages and I pass out. So this year I would like to kind of trade scrolling on my phone for reading, especially throughout the day. I don't scroll on my phone a ton. I really don't. I try to be really mindful of that. But, as I'm sure we all do, kind of fall into that habit. But I would love to read more. So let me know in the comments below what kind of books you guys like to read. I love a good romance novel. But I really like closed door romance, if you know what that means. Just clean romance, kind of like a Hallmark movie in book form. That is exactly what I like to read. And I do have my Goodreads profile linked in my YouTube channel on the page. So, and in the description box of every video. So if you have a Goodreads, check it out. I'm always have what I'm currently reading on there. So as you can see, I have all the kitchen and dining room decor piled up on the table here, and I am about to fit pretty much all of this into 2 bins. And I'm a very meticulous packer when it comes to packing my decor. I kind of view it like a game of Tetris. Like, I will squeeze stuff into the tiniest little cracks, and sometimes it does make my bins very heavy. Like this kitchen one was heavy, but it had a lot of dishes in it. But yeah, I like to pack things away as efficiently as I can. Anyways, let's see, more goals for 2026. We've talked about fitness and books. I would love to kind of grow in my faith as well. I want to do more Bible reading. I am really good about reading the verse of the day every day in my Bible app, but I kind of want to do some more in-depth Bible studies. And I also want to improve my prayer life. Again, I try to pray, say my prayers every night before bed, but gosh, I think I fall asleep during them 9 times out of 10. So I kind of just want to be more intentional about that as well. And let's see, I just want to have more fun this year with my kids. We are planning on going on a summer vacation this year. We didn't go anywhere in 2025, mostly because we had a baby and also because we moved. And so financially and just time wise and with the baby and everything, it just didn't line up for us to go on a nice vacation. So we are looking forward to one in 2026 before my son starts kindergarten in the fall. And we're probably going to do a beach vacation, probably somewhere on the Atlantic. We went to Myrtle Beach a couple years ago, and I grew up going to Myrtle Beach every single year. And so we like it there, but we're also open to maybe trying Charleston or Tybee Island or something like that. So Grant loved when we went to the beach a couple years ago, and so he is going to love it again, I'm sure, and I'm sure Nathan will have fun too. So we are really excited for our summer vacation this year. So with all of that being said, and as I said, my son starts kindergarten in the fall. So one thing that I wanted to do is set up kind of a family command center in our kitchen. So I'm about to share the footage of that here in just a second. But I got a new wall calendar from Bloom Daily Planners, and it's just a very cute seasonal wall calendar. And I wanted to create this little command center space. So first I'm hanging up this sign. I have a piece of paper taped over it because it has my last name on it, also the exact coordinates of our home. Our mortgage company actually gave this to us when we closed on this house, so obviously I don't want to share all that information on the internet. So that's why the black piece of paper is taped up there. But it's a very cute sign, so I have that hanging up there right as you come in the door from our garage. You can see my car parked out there. But I'm also going to hang up my wall calendar here, and then I picked up this little galvanized metal sign from Hobby Lobby, and I picked that basically because it's going to be magnetic, and so I can magnet things on here, appointment cards or whatever, and I can kind of like decorate it up for all the holidays. So I think it's going to be super cute. So that is going to be it for today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you found this video motivational and inspirational. We got all of that Christmas stuff down and packed away in one day. That was a lot of work, and then set up this cute little command center. I love it already. I've already decorated the January calendar, and I love it so much. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel for more cleaning, decorating, mom life videos coming all year long. And I will see you guys very soon in a new video. Bye guys.